All right, mate. ICP. Well, to be honest, this looks like a bearish rejection on the monthly. Um, so, oh, COVID cough. Um, and there's no wick on the bottom, so you'd have to kind of be worried that the bottom is not in, that this can roll over at some point, because there's no wick here. This is an inside bar on a monthly candle. Um, is this a continuation or a reversal? The way I would play it is, it's so far it's an inside bar. There's 11 days left. Next month, what you could do is look for a pierce of the lows, a pierce below the inside bar down here. I don't know if it's going to pierce the all-time lows or just pierce the inside bar. But what you would like to see is a pierce down and flip up and flip green on a new month. If it is red, if this flips red, right? Just change that to red so there's no confusion. We need to be careful because this could easily be a rejection on a monthly candle into resistance, and we're dropping back down. Then you get another red monthly candle lower. So I don't like to buy ICP here right now because it's an inside bar and it's telling me that the price is likely to go a bit lower at some point. For me, I would have patience on it. It can bounce a bit into the end of the month or something, but it's still going to form an inside bar, and that inside bar is likely going to get stop hunted, I would suggest. And if the market is very bearish, then you can have another red candle back down. I don't mean to say it's going to $10 or whatever that is, $12, but it could go to $17, or you just don't know yet. But at this point, this is rejecting and in a bear trend, so need to be careful.